I'm Jeff with Chandler Systems, and today I'm going to show you how to change a cartridge in our Monstr Flow cartridge filter. So the first thing you're going to do is turn the bypass valves. I'm going to go ahead and remove the lid. So it's in bypass. Now I'm going to push down on the red pressure relief valve to take pressure off of the tank. And you'll get some water coming out. You want to make sure that you get all the pressure off, so there's no more water coming out. And you want to push down on the lid also before you try to remove the snap ring. So once pressure is completely released and you can feel the lid starting to move freely, then you'll be able to get the snap ring out. You want to make sure you don't put any tools on this. Just grab this tab here with your fingers, and you want to pull in towards the center and pull up, and it'll just snap out like that. And then when you're removing the lid, it can still kind of have like a suction on it. So go ahead and push down on the pressure relief valve as you lift the lid up like that. Then you can remove your cartridge. And if it's a carbon block like this one, it's going to be quite heavy. It's also going to have a lot of water in it. So you may just want to let that drain out for a bit. Take your new cartridge and put it back in. And you want to make sure that it gets down below this upper lip. So when it's below that point, you know it's fully seated and you'll be able to get your lid on. So go ahead and take the lid. Make sure it's pushed all the way down. And when you're putting the snap ring back in the groove, you just want to start with the one end and work it around and make sure it's seated all the way in that groove, and make sure that the tab is in an accessible spot. You don't want to have it behind one of these tabs, so have it somewhere where it's easy to grab for next time. And at that point, you can go ahead and, if you've got some water on top of here, you might want to dump that off, shop vac it off, or something of that nature. You can go ahead and put it back under pressure, and then just open a cold tap downstream, let water run for 5 or 10 minutes until you get all the air out of your lines. If it's a carbon block like this one, you want to flush it for 10 or 15 minutes, make sure your water is running clear. You'll continue to have some air bubbles in the water, but you want to make sure you get all the carbon fines rinsed away. If it's just a pleated cartridge, a sediment filter, just run it for 5 to 10 minutes until you get the air out of the lines, and then you're good to go.